Some more breaking news coming in. The Delhi Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung has denied allegations made by Swati Maliwal. Najib Jung told India Today that he did not speak to Swati Maliwal and never asked her not to come to office from Thursday. Remember, Kejriwal government's appointee to the post of Delhi Commission for Women's Head, Swati Maliwal, has run into the LG wall. Swati Maliwal, whose appointment was termed as unconstitutional by the Lieutenant Governor's office, has now cried foul. And Swati Maliwal was appointed without consulting the LG's office, has now been told to vacate her office from tomorrow, is what she claimed in her tweets. A short while ago, Swati tweeted saying that she received a call from the LG's office informing her that the files sent to her are being recalled. So there is that constant power tussle when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party government here in Delhi and the Lieutenant Governor's office, be it of course about that appointment of the Chief Secretary in the past to the ACB Chief and now this DCW Chief appointment. Joining me now on the broadcast is Jugal Purohit, my colleague. Jugal, just take us through the details as to what really is the bone of contention here.
Well, this case also coming as yet another development in this rather unending series of one-sided punches which are responded by the other side. As we are now seeing that Swati Maliwal in her defense is now saying that while she was on her way is when she was informed to not attend office anymore. The LG making it more than clear that he is the government here in Delhi, and without his understanding, without his agreement, no appointments can be made. We've been seeing this taking place in the past, and now this Delhi Commission of Women only becoming the latest playground insofar as the tussle between the Delhi administration and the Delhi government headed by the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned. We'll have to wait and watch as to just what is the course that both sides adopt. For now, of course, it's the LG side which has had the final word, but tomorrow we are given to understand that Arvind Kejriwal will be meeting Swati Maliwal and they will be chalking out their further strategy from then on. But as I said, the LG has made it more than clear that his nod is required for any appointment to take place, and it's on the basis of that very fact that her appointment has been struck down. We'll have to wait and watch what the Aam Aadmi Party now decides to do.